What is investing? An investment is the strategic allocation of your money with an expectation of achieving some benefits in the future. To better understand investments, let us start by understanding the difference between an investment and an asset. If you are unclear about the distinction between the two, do not fret. You will be surprised at how many people are sailing in the same boat. Let us then dive right into it. Assets are the things that have a value and the ability to make, lose, or retain value over time. Investments, by definition, are quite similar to assets, except they produce monetary value over time. Why don't we understand with the help of an example? Is the house that you live in an asset or an investment? If you think asset, then you are correct. Only if you decide to lease out the house and earn rental income on it will it qualify as an investment. Remember, assets qualify as investments only if they are able to produce additional monetary worth as time passes. Learning to identify the difference between your assets and investments can help you segregate your income and savings properly to build your portfolio over time. Now that you know the difference between assets and investments, let us deep dive into what is investing. Investing is the act of committing resources to an endeavor with the expectation of obtaining an additional income or profit in the future. So in a financial sense, let's say you put money in a financial investment like shares, bonds, or mutual funds, etc., with an expectation of higher returns. For example, let's say Mr. X has a soap manufacturing business. He works 6 days a week. At the start of every month, he saves a certain percentage of his income and invests it. Over the years, these investments will give him additional income in the form of interest, dividends, etc. Therefore, investing is a way to set aside some amount of money regularly and reap the rewards of your labor in the future. For more such videos, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel and visit our website www.edelweiss.in.